On this week, I review the Prism Live Studio app. I was introduced to Prism Live Studio recently. I didn't take it as a serious alternative option than the usual apps like Streamlabs or Stream Elements to phone IRL streaming. But after seeing a streamer use browser source from Streamlabs within the app, so I gave it a shot. I did a test stream on a test account I did. Here are some negatives and positives compared to the usual Streamlabs app. Here are pros and cons based on factors I think are important to a typical outdoor IRL phone stream, but keep in mind there were a lot more features the app has I intentionally did not tap into only because I thought they were not useful for outdoor IRL streaming. Pro 1, no noticeable frame rate issue, some people call it lag, during alerts. This frame rate issue exists on Streamlabs app, and at least for Samsung phones. Pro 2, selectable bitrate options up to 6000, and variable bitrate options. Variable bitrate is not an option on Streamlabs. Pro 3, don't need to cycle through cameras unlike with Streamlabs or other apps. You need to cycle the multiple cameras which can take time to do. In Prism you can specifically select which camera you want defaulted for front and back cameras. Con 1, cannot turn off the screen or some call it go black screen on the phone to be more covert or secretive with streaming in public. It will let you maybe do it for 30 to 60 seconds and will time out and end the stream. As of the latest update 2.3.6, once you go black screen it will instantly end the stream. Con 2, minimizing or split screening the Prism app from a viewer's perspective. I saw what is known as LSD on streams with an RTMP and backpack setup. If you minimize or split screen this app.
Slot you guys in. Bear with me a minute. I don't want to accidentally cut the screen. Okay. Alright.
Con 3, when you try to go live on 60 FPS it will show a preview of the stream all black screen. Keep noted, Samsung has no issues or restrictions from what Streamlabs stated to have a restriction on all third-party apps from running 60 FPS from the phone's camera. Streamlabs will allow you to set 60 FPS but it will actually degrade to 30 FPS and act as 30 FPS. Con 4, when you go live, you must be in landscape orientation. The app will not auto-rotate and lock it in until you end stream. So if you go live on portrait orientation, you must end and start again the stream to go into landscape. Con 5, when you go live, end stream, or relaunch the app, you need to manually reload or re-enable the web sources one at a time. I have received reports that Prism can act differently on different Android phones such as Prism acts like the above I mentioned on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and other Samsung phones. It can work a bit differently varying the manufacturer's modifications and restrictions to the phone. In example, Google Pixel phones can allow 60 FPS for certain but not all live streaming apps and only for certain cameras for phones with multiple cameras. In conclusion, I found the pros for me, in a streamer's perspective, and a viewer's perspective, using Prism Live Studio is the preferred app over Streamlabs and even Stream Elements too. But if you're an outdoor IRL streamer that does not need alerts, and can live without them, Streamlabs should. When that day comes, if ever, then we won't need a GoPro or IRL backpack all that much. As for a rating for this review, it would be entirely based on my standard as a viewer and streamer, which varies streamer to streamer on their own standards. I would rate this app 3.8 out of 5 stars. It has room for improvements. Where if I were to rate Streamlabs today, it would be a 2 out of 5.
If you're interested in looking to getting whitelisted, please look below in the video description for links. You can also contact me direct message on Discord, email OutdoorIRL@gmail.com, or DM me on Twitter at OutdoorIRL. Thanks for watching. Please, if you found any value in this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you love Outdoor IRL content, hit the bell to get notified on other videos. See you next time guys.